This is salted egg yolk chicken, a beloved Singapore char dish of some fried chicken bites slathered in a creamy, sweet and savoury salted egg yolk sauce that is so easy to make. So let's do this. So what the heck are salted egg yolks? These are the yolks of salted, usually duck eggs, and they're cured so it's salty. This is what salted duck eggs look like in its original form. It looks gnarly, I know. To prepare the yolks from this, all you do is wash off all that soil all clean and then correct the eggs and separate it from the whites just like this, and you just get the egg yolks. Easy and done. So I've got some already peeled egg yolks here and we have to steam this first. Pretty straightforward. All you do is you just steam these on high for about 10 to 15 minutes until it looks like cooked yolk, just like this. And then take it out, and then you want to roughly mash the yolks. Just use a fork till you get something like this, and then keep this to one side. Next, let's prepare our chicken. You want to grab your chicken pieces here, and I just cube them like this to pretty small bite-sized pieces, and then give it a very simple marinade of just salt and pepper. And then add some cornstarch or corn flour to the bowl and then just mix that through. You want to give the chicken pieces an even coating so it looks like this, and we're ready to fry these babies up. To fry this up, let's add some oil to our pan, and that's it. That's right, y'all. This is all the oil you need because we are going to be shallow frying our chicken. Once your oil is hot, add the chicken. You want to kind of spread your chicken around and then leave that alone. Let that bottom part get all nice and crispy before flipping it over to the other side. Anyway, so once your chicken is golden brown on both sides, take it off the pan and keep it to one side. And yes, I promise you this chicken stays crispy, okay? Crispy. Next, I'm just going to clean out the oil and all those little cornstarch flour bits. Just gonna reuse the pan. Turn the heat back on, and then you want to use low heat for this. Add butter and then let that melt. Once the butter melts, add some garlic. These are curry leaves. You kind of need curry leaves, okay? And then a fruit. Get it all off the vine just like this. And for some spicy kick, we are going to add some Thai bird's eye chilies. Give all of that a saute. You want all those beautiful flavors to incorporate with the butter, and once fragrant, and oh my god, it's gonna get super fragrant with all those curry leaves, add the steamed salted egg yolks that we mashed earlier, and then you want to stir that in with the butter. You can also just kind of break the yolks even more with your spatula so it combines even better with the butter. Once you have a combined sauce like this, I'm pouring in evaporated milk next, and I like mine extra saucy, so I'm adding quite a lot of the milk. By the way, you can also just use regular milk. Then I'm also adding some condensed milk here, and this is going to add a nice milky sweetness to the dish. You can also use sugar, by the way. Give all of that a stir to incorporate, and then you want to let this mixture come to a bubbly boil just like this. Once the sauce boils, it's basically done. Add back all of the fried chicken that we made earlier and toss that through, and our ultra creamy, extra saucy salted egg yolk chicken is all done. Serve these immediately and hot. Salted egg yolk sauces tend to thicken as it cools. Let me quickly decorate this with some curry leaves because this looks like a yellow blob, and our salted egg yolk chicken is all done. This is so good served with some rice. So I hope you give this easy peasy salted egg yolk chicken a go, and bye! If you love this easy recipe, you want to give any of these a go next.